Welcome to Journeyhorizon, your premier partner for Sharetribe marketplace solutions. Today, we're excited to introduce our Wishlist plugin, designed to enhance your marketplace experience. With the Wishlist plugin, your users can easily save their favorite items for later. Let's see how it works. On the search result page, users can quickly add items to their wishlist by clicking the heart icon. It's that simple. The item is now saved to their wishlist. Users can also add product to their wishlist when viewing the details of each product page. All saved items can be easily managed from the My Wishlist page. Users can view their favorite items, remove them, or proceed to purchase them when they're ready. One click, and it's done. The Wishlist plugin is available for both Sharetribe Web and Sharetribe mobile app, ensuring a seamless experience across all devices. Enhance your marketplace with the Wishlist plugin from Journeyhorizon. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.